Hi. One of the hidden gems in this home at 11 James Road is the basement. It's an additional 1,222 square feet of finished space. So let's take a look. In this first area, you'll see it's a very open format. There's built-ins for your bookshelf. You have your entertainment area. I can see a family watching the Super Bowl, the big game, the Kentucky Derby, all sorts of things. And it's extremely spacious. Here is the playing area. These French doors are one of two entryways into the basement. So you're gonna have to wait till I show you the second one. We have a nice, beautiful cedar closet. Oop, lights aren't on. That's okay. And we have utility space all behind this wall. There is plenty of space in this home for storage as well as finished space. Another closet under the steps. And in this area, you have rough-in plumbing, so you can put a bathroom, a toilet, a shower, and a sink. The family has used a sink in their hobby room. And this can easily be converted to a 3-piece bath. Oh, daylight windows. So a firefighter in full uniform can get down. And if you wanted to make a bedroom down here in this 4-bedroom septic house, you can. So if you have older parents who want their own space, but you may want to use it, keep it the way it is, because it's an incredible gym. And come on, here's the secret hidden gem. For the workshop craftsman, here is the workshop. In here, I'm going to walk through first. There is a door, so you don't have to walk all the way to the other end to go in and out of the home. If you're doing a job outside, there's plenty of storage. You can see this home has central vac. It has their power is down here. It has a central vac, and it also has the wiring for a backup generator. So if you want to check this out on in person, give me a call, and we'll schedule that appointment.